I came to Mitch after a terrible experience with one of the bigger firms who treated me like just a number. My previous lawyer was not what I wanted. He would not return phone calls, emails. I got lost in the numbers. And when I moved to Mitch, I felt like I was his only client. He made sure everything got settled and that I got taken care of. My name is Manuel. I live in Altamont Spring. I was in an auto accident. I was rear-ended, and ultimately it led to 3 surgeries. So I said, what do I have to lose? Took over the case, and I'm glad I did make that phone call. When you're with Mitch, you're family. The hardest part of the whole process was the deposition. I felt like I was on trial, and all I was doing was sitting in the backseat of a car when this accident happened. But the other lawyer made me feel like I was a criminal, investigating my entire background, things that had absolutely nothing to do with the case. And Mitch was by my side the entire time, giving me thumbs up under the table. So just to let me know I'm doing good and don't let him get to you. When we'd go on breaks, he'd give me a little pep talk and we'd just go back in, and he made that process pretty smooth. I don't know what I would have did without him by my side. And then at that point, we thought we were done with the case. And then one day, I started having issues in my left arm. My whole arm just started tingling and would go numb. So I was worried it was a heart attack. Without hesitation, he said, "This is the guy I want you to go see for the neck injury. He's the best there is." Went there, ultimately had neck surgery. We've closed the case and I'm still fine. And I never felt pressured to settle. It was always up to me what I wanted to do. You think of a lawyer, you think of like a used car salesman from the 80s, like high pressure, intense. Mitch is none of that. He is just laid back, calm, soothing. It's always good to hear his voice, always puts you at ease. So my life now after everything is better than it was before, actually. My back is fixed, my neck is fixed, everything's great. Mitch and I still stay in touch. He always checks in on me, maybe once a month or so. It's like I said, when you're with Mitch, you're family. I think we'll be friends until the end now. I would 1,000% recommend Mitch to friends, family, strangers, anybody.